Let's start by looking at the context module page. I'm going to type Drupal context in Google, and I'll select the top result here. So you can see that the Chaos Tools module is required, but we've installed that already for previous modules that we've installed. And then there's a couple of recommendations here so we can use the context inline editor, which we'll explore later. We're actually going to install both of these for that. But for now, we're just going to focus on the default user interface that comes with context. So here are the details that you need in order to download and install context. I'm of course going to use Drush because it's really quick. But I'm going to use the module configuration page to look at the various modules available to us through the context package. I'm going to click on modules here, and I'm going to click on context in the grouping on the left. So we have context, context layouts, and context UI. We're only going to use context and context UI for now, so I'm going to check those. Context layouts integrates with your theme in order to use different template files in different situations. Since we're not dealing with the theme layer at all, really, then we're just going to use context as is. And once we've checked that, click Save Configuration.